Guys, in today's video we're going to be working on a 2010 Kia Forte. It's my personal vehicle. In today's video is actually quite special because my son decided to give me a present by drawing a heart on the hood of my car using a rock. And he made actually a quite deep scratches in it. They look pretty bad. So we're going to do our best to see what we can do to it to try to get it fixed and see how far we can take it. Hopefully we can make it look really good, but you gotta stay tuned at the end to see it. So if you want to see how we went from this to this, watch the whole video. You're gonna like it. And at the end I'm gonna throw a video of my son when I asked him what it was that he wrote draw on my hood. So just watch to the end. You can see him. He's 3 years old, so I cannot get mad at him. I mean, he said it was a present. So just stay tuned, watch the whole video. You guys are gonna like it, I know that. Just like, share, subscribe, turn your notification on so you get notified every time we post a new video. And I hope you guys like this one. Guys, on this case and this scratch, you can see it's white, it's really deep. So in this scenario we might have to go with a more aggressive from the get-go. Normally that's not what you want to do. You always want to try to do the least aggressive path first and then continue on to see how much you need to do, right? But being that this one is so deep, we have to start a little bit more aggressive. In this case I started using a 1500 on wet sand, and you guys will be able to see that after I finish with the 1500 you will be able to still see those scratches on it. So they're really deep. So from there we went to do a 2500 grit and so on until I found that it was getting the scratches, it was less and less visible. Another thing, guys, if you guys do want to do wet sanding like what I'm doing right now here, this is actually, like I said, it's really aggressive, so you gotta be really careful you don't take it too much, alright, because this is taking a lot from the clear coat. So take it little by little. That's why you see me just spray a little bit of water and just scrape it and then clean it off. And look what I'm doing, right? Don't just go crazy at it and don't inspect every few seconds, you could say, what you're doing, because remember, after this step we still need to do other steps that still are cutting into the clear coat. So you don't want to take a lot of it, just take it little by little until you achieve what you're trying to do. Okay, so don't burn through it, because then really there will be nothing for you to do, just to paint that area. Well guys, on this one, this is the last step I perform on this repair. We are using a foam pad, a polishing foam pad, my bad, with a Meguiars 205. And as you guys can see, the results are amazing. I mean, it came out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I was actually quite surprised. And once you see now after the before and after shots, I'm gonna let you guys just be the judge. Just comment in the comments below what you guys think. If you guys would have done something different steps, different procedures. Just let me know what you guys would have done differently. And I hope you guys liked it though. What is that?
A heart.
What?
A heart.
A heart? What you draw a heart here for?
For you, your present.
For me? That's my present? Oh, thank you.
Oh, my goodness.